Part 3: The Law of Attraction Chronicles. Consciously or unconsciously, you are always creating your life, and the environment around you with your thought process. This simple principle is known as the law of attraction. There are several laws about creating and changing into a better life and better environment around you. You must be aware of how important it is to understand the true concept of reality, and how you can build a reality to bring positivity into your life right now. A lot of us tend to mistreat or misuse the law of attraction. You then start asking why you don't get what you want. Humans more times than not misuse the law of attraction rather than accepting its larger purpose in life. Keep your eyes on the prize, try to focus on the positives. A common misuse of the law of attraction will often include focusing on the things that you are lacking in your life. Make sure you always acknowledge the good things in life. Forget about focusing on the things you are lacking in your life. These things results in the misuse of the law of attraction. If you are single and wish to find a wife or husband, and you want to incorporate the law of attraction to find a life partner, you must start with yourself. Ask yourself what it is you really seek in a spouse. Are you grateful for all the good things in your life? Do you find yourself trustworthy and lovable? If you answer in the positive to all these questions, you will find a life partner with the help of the law of attraction. If you feel that your thoughts are feeling miserable and lonely without a partner, you will end up attracting the wrong person. Remember, your thoughts are who you are and what you get back. Misusing the law of attraction will also happen by not being consistent and really clear about what it is you want. There are many people who know what they do not want, but they are rarely clear about what they actually want. If you find yourself with confusion or going back and forth about what you want, chances are you will be misusing the law of attraction. If you desire a husband or wife on one day, but on other days you say that you do not wish to get into a relationship, you are too busy or you're not ready to make emotional investment, you are actually confusing your thought process. This will backfire. You're just going to attract more confusion. It is imperative that you remain very clear on what you want. Most times determining what you want involves looking at the things that bring you true happiness into your life. You must be able to give into your inner you, be aware of yourself to understand the larger purpose in this life. This will help you find what you truly desire. Maybe you have recently went through a breakup. You can start by rebuilding your life. You will know when it's time and you are ready to enter into a new relationship. After this, you can start looking out for new partners. The universe will send you signs. You will then know it's time to find the right life partner. However, you must ensure that you do not focus on the negative stuff like what you are lacking. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos.